do you suffer from allergies like I do, as well as low quality sleep like I do? Are you allergic to pollen, pet dander, dust, all that good stuff? You guys, I got something for you. This is the Levoit, the brand Levoit. This is their air purifier, and it is the Core Mini P air purifier, and I got it in the creamy white, I believe is what it's called, and they also have it in black. I am going to unbox this. Okay, this is really popular right now, so this is how packaging looks, and there she is. So let's take her out. So you guys, it comes with a user manual. It says to read and save these instructions, and there's safety information in there. Okay. And it came with a little thank you card. And it shows other products that they have in there. Alright, you guys, I'll lower the camera so you can get a good look. Alright, so this is the top. So it shows here there is a power button, as well as a level 1, a level 2, and a level 3. Okay. Oh, and there is a little button right there. It looks like a filter, and I believe that would light up to let you know that it's time to change the filter. So to open her up, you just twist it. Really easy. It's a really easy twist. It says right here, it says open. There's an arrow pointing that way. So turn it this way. Oh, and there's the little outlet to plug in your adapter, power adapter. So this is what she looks like on the inside. And I'm assuming this is the power cord. This is the filter. Let's take her out of the plastic. Oh, she's sealed. She's sealed. That lets you know this is brand new. So let's open it up. Okay. Oh, wow. So this is what the filter looks like. There's a little QR code on there. It says scan barcode to get the filter. Really cool. So when it's time to change the filter, just scan this barcode, and I guess it'll take you to a website where you can order the replacement. So let's place the filter in there. Let's put her back on. Twist it. All right, you guys. One of the winning features for me with this filter, where is she? There she is, right there, is this has aromatherapy. So there's a little drawer right here. You push it and pull it out, and there's a little sponge. So you can drop your essential oils in there, your lavender, peppermint, eucalyptus, whatever tickles your fancy. Push it back in there, and not only is this going to filter and clean your air, it is also going to give a very nice soft aroma that can actually help, you know, with your relaxation and your sleep. Let's open this box and see what's inside. Okay, so we have the power adapter. Okay, we are going to plug her in. Now, they claim, all right, we plugged her in, and she lit up when I did that. Let's turn on the power button. Wow. That's level 1. I can't hear a thing. I don't know if you guys can, but it is so quiet. Wow. All right, let's check out level 2. You push the power button to switch between levels. I was pressing the numbers. Press the power button. So this is level 2. You can hear it a little bit more, but it's not bad at all. And this is, almost did it again. That's level 3. Can you hear that? Wow. So it has a pretty quiet operation so that you can sleep at night. I personally don't mind a little bit of noise. I like the white noise. It helps me to sleep better. But this has a 3-stage filtration system, and it uses 360-degree vortex air technology 3.0. They say that it conditions the air and from temperatures from 14 degrees up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. And then, of course, as I mentioned, it has the aromatherapy, and they have, of course, their own special filters that they want you to use with this. It is a space saver, you guys. Look how small it is. Really nice and compact, and it's convenient. I really like it. I can't wait to use it. It was time for me to get a new one, and I highly recommend it. I think it's very nice and sleek. It goes with my room with the white, and I have gray accents as well as gold in my room. But I really like it's really, you know, unassuming, and I can put it in the corner and purify my air. But that is my review, unboxing, I should say, and first impressions of the Levoit Core Mini P air purifier. I think you should get you one.